If you're amazed by nature and love quirky animal facts, this one's for you. Let's dive into the fascinating world of woodpeckers. Did you know a woodpecker's tongue can be up to 4 inches long? That's right, it wraps around their brain to protect it while pecking. And guess what? They can peck up to 20 times per second. Talk about a rapid-fire beak. Woodpeckers also have special feathers to cover their nostrils, so they don't inhale wood dust. Genius, right? Plus, their feet are zygodactyl, meaning 2 toes face forward and 2 backward, giving them a super grip on tree trunks. Love these fun facts? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share with your fellow animal lovers for more wild wonders. Keep following Animal Facts 100. Thanks for watching and stay curious. #Woodpecker Facts, #Animal Lovers, #subscribe now.